How to install eFootball 23 mobile on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll show you how you can install and play eFootball mobile 2023 on Android, so you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you have the official app on your Google Play Store as well as the App Store, so just open up your Play Store, and once you open up your Play Store, right over here what you want to do is in the search box you want to just type in eFootball. So I'll just go ahead and then type in eFootball as well. Previously it used to be called PES, but now it's no longer called PS, it's just called eFootball. And you can see the very first app by eFootball 23 by Konami. You simply want to make sure to download this. In my case I've already downloaded it, so I'm only going to click on the update button, and once I click on the update button it is going to install the app. But first of all, also make sure that you have enough storage on your device, because if you do not have enough storage you will not be able to install this, because it is actually up to more than 3 or 4 gigabytes on your Android as well. And once you install this application you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then play it. If your device supports it, you'll be able to play it without any lags or stutters. And that's all it takes to install and play eFootball 2023 mobile on your Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.